What's up guys? So we're here outside outdoor test of DJI Mavic Mini. I just repaired the arm because I took it to the trip and I busted the arm, and I did my own little fixeroo on this guy. And let's see how it performs, because all of the stocks are out on the Mini's arm. Kids are biking, so we'll run some tests and see how it does. So we're in an open space area. They're just building a bunch of houses here, so we're not gonna hurt anything if it goes down. And the cool thing is, this is a soft grass, so if it goes down, and it should be safe. Hopefully we don't break any more parts because they're not available. Arm repair went really well on that DJI Mavic. No vibrations or anything like that. Gimbal's holding steady. Pictures, video's good. How's the riding? It's fun?
Yep.
Yeah? Cool.
I'm going for one more round.
You go home around? Go for it.
Go.
You need a bike rack.
Yes.
Actually, like that.
Yeah. What was I gonna say? What was someone gonna say? Okay, got it. No, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Wait, okay, so.
James!
These are in the video.
No.
Lindor. Okay, it's for the Lindor. Alright, be serious.
Gigi.
Okay, be
That's
serious. Come on. That's gonna be pretty much it. That's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys did, hit that like button and smash the subscribe.
It's alright, that's how they do the outtakes.
Alright. If you guys okay, that's gonna be pretty much end of the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, hit that like button and smash the subscribe button, and
There's a plane up there.
Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye.